everybody, and welcome to the channel. Now, I'm just going to say before I start, this dog did chew my headset, so I'm on my walking headphones that I normally use for taking the dog for the walk for this voiceover, so I'm sorry if the sound is not all that good. But this was our morning walk to the Kelpies. Since I had a day off, I thought it was a great time to go on this little adventure. Um, so yeah, but perfect video to have a wee chat because, I have had a good bit of time off. I have been getting everything sorted and putting things in motion and planning things and doing lots of stuff to get ready for next year. And there's been quite a few things have happened, quite a few changes have come about. So there is a lot happening. But I do have a plan for next year and lots of things will be happening. So I am super excited for that. Um, and yeah, we have just been having fun. We have been relaxing and, as I said, getting stuff sorted. Lots of paperwork, booking holidays, looking for holidays, all that sort of stuff. So there's lots to come and lots of traveling of Scotland and lots of me and the dog and lots of other stuff like that. Um, so yeah, it's going to be great fun. I am much looking forward to it. But yes, that's why I had a wee bit of a break because I wanted to take the time to just get everything sorted and work out what I wanted and make sure that I did everything for me as opposed to anybody else. Um, but as I said, we are getting there, so it's good fun. Now, since we are at the Kelpies in this video, and that's pretty much all I have to say. I will say in one of the last clips, there is a bit of writing on the ground that is actually as you come in. And the only reason I didn't show it as we came in is because when I seen it, it was way, 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 way too dark to be telling anybody about anything. So yeah, that's why it's a clip at the end. I do apologise. Um, I am also trying to currently load the information about the Kelpies to be able to tell you about them. However, it is not really wanting to load right now. Um, I will put the website and everything down. Yeah, I'm going to have to. I'm going to put the website and information about the Kelpies down in the description, so please feel free to read them. It is actually very interesting. I do enjoy going to the Kelpies. I did wake up a bit late, so I didn't quite get sunrise how I wanted. However, as you can see by the dark grey horrible cloud, it was in fact raining most of my visit. So unfortunately that didn't happen. But do you know what? It's Scotland and the weather has been chaos and my work has been chaos recently, so I haven't done nearly as many adventures as I wanted to. But do you know what? That's completely okay and we are getting there. We are getting there. So, what I am now going to do for ladies and gentlemen is I am going to leave you with the rest of these walking adventure clips and allow you to read the bottom and leave you with some music. So, enjoy. And I hope you all had a great Christmas and I hope you have a wonderful New Year.